What are you doing? Simba, Simba, you looking for something? Mochi, are you gonna pee, Mochi?
How about you? Yeah, same. I want yeah, so we just go. Because we just moved here, girl. My husband just got one pack. And now we're gonna try for
Go, Astro. The day, Joy, we walked outside. Other side with your mom. Hindi ko alam dito rin. Moral sabi.
Pero alam ko, may lusot dito na malayo.
Ah.
Pero yun doon, alam ko.
Ay, malayo-layo din pala la moral. Hindi pala. Napakalapit lang.
Pero pagka dito ka na, magkaganyan ka. Diyan na yan sa kanila. Mount Sophia's residence.
Oh, I see. Moment of for the dogs.
Maraming mosquito bite.
Ano siya? Allergy. Lapitin ng lamok ko. Dubigot naman to dito, Joy. Mas malampit dito, Joy. So, mas malayo-layo yung nilakay, Joy, daan. Baka matakot siya ng aso. Malayo-layo yung nilakaran namin dati.
Oo.
Doon kami
Malayo
dumaan
yun.
sa 100 steps, no?
Oo, malayo yun.
Parang 35 minutes kami naglakad, Joy, doon. Papuntang Cathy building.
Pagkabalik naman natin,
Doon,
na tayo sa 100 steps.
Ha? Doon kami lumusot sa may tunnel na, Joy.
Oo, doon nga. Doon tayo lulusot. Doon lang yun yung isang yung isang lulutsan doon, palabas.
Ah.
Pero yung papasok dito,
Ay,
pwede
siligi
dito
naman to.
Pwede dito ka naman, pwede doon.
Siligi naman to. Little India na to eh. Papansin si Uncle. Oh. Okay, let's go. Doon, Little India na kahit siligi oh. What is here? Ha? Si Astro, scared na yan. Go, let's... Doon is, ano na yan guys? City. A lot of construction. Ah, layo-layo. Good po di Joy. Uy, hindi na yung maano lang, Joy. Mochi, bye-bye. See you next time, Mochi. Bye-bye. Mochi, bye. Poor Mochi. This one condo, guys.
They get so excited so quickly.
We're going to Simba's place. Astro, we're going to Simba's place. So cute. Simba's place. Mount Sophia. This is the building. A lot of construction here, guys. So cute. This is inside the condo, but playground. But behind there, many construction. Playground in Mount Sophia residence. That's nice. A nice building in Mount Sophia Residence, guys. See, guys, this is Mount Sophia Residence. Manal Place. Her dog is called Simba. Dito? Ah. That's the swimming pool, guys. See, swimming pool. There's swimming pool. Astro, no. Swimming pool. They're building. We're going to Cathy building.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go in. Go in. You can see. Let's see. Look at the lift. The lift is glass. See? The lift is glass.
Wow, the
So
picture
cute.
very nice.
Oh, they're here already.
See?
We
Look at
walked
that.
also before here, you
Right
know.
here.
Come, let's go.
Closer than the other way.
The other way is quite far.
Yep. This is movement, see? So you go straight in.
Oh. Astro, slowly.
Next time we will going to
Ah, here is nearer.
fourth floor here is the time.
Full floor, yeah.
Four down.
Full floor,
Yeah,
yeah.
we will message you. Feel free, then we can come here. Yeah, with you.
I think I'll come now. Who's going to Shenzhen?
Me.
You.
You wanna go Shenzhen?
You want to go to Shenzhen?
No.
You go, then the park is on.
Don't you take Noggie?
Yeah, I will. This is the condo here. Mount Sophia Car Park. Astro is new place, okay? New place, Astro. Mount Sophia Car Park. No, Astro. Let's go. Astro, go. Morning. Oh, Cathy building already so fast. Right, so fast here compared to the first one. We are here, guys, going to sing song. Bye, have a great day. We're in Cathy building now. Bye, see you in my next video, Astro. Bye bye. Coffee shop. Astro, this way. Simba.